Ram Ram, Namaskar. I am Mr. Sailendra Kumar Mishra. I am speaking from Puri. This is a spoken English class. I am not at all teacher. As a student, I am going to speak something in English. As a student, I may do so many types of wrong in sentence and in behavior. Using words, I may be wrong at any time. So don't follow the wrong thing which I am speaking. Always be positive. यार अर्थ है आशावादी हवा भल निराशावादी भल नुहे. Be positive. Always welcome to others and give something to others. And giving a item or giving a knowledge or giving a water jug of water is a good thing. It does not mean that any person can give to others. It is a quality. It is a quality of a human being. The man who is able to give something to others is very separate from us. He is not equal with us. As we are not giving anything to others, at the time of giving, we always think many things, whether this item will be useful for me or not. If not, then I may give to the person. But at the time of giving, you should not think anything that this subject or this matter or this thing may help me in future. Which you are going to give, it is very essential for another person. You have many things, but there are so many things which are not useful for you, but that item is very essential for others. So at the time of giving, don't think that it should not be given because in future it may give profit to me. That means you are a businessman. You do the business is a very good thing. You purchase an item at ₹1 and you may sell that item at the rate of ₹10. It is your work. It is your art to sell them to the customer. You are not cheating to that person. You are taking more money which you should not take, but at the time of business you can sell your item in MRP or with your rate. This is not cheating. So as a human being, we should think more about the other person. God has given you knowledge to share with others. Otherwise, your knowledge will not give anything to you. There are so many things that you have to give. Most of people are believing that there is God. Once God came to the earth and he selected 20 persons and made them and give a power that if they will touch a person, the person will be a rich person, will be rich. Rich means dhani. That means the person, the God has given a power to those persons, means in counting they are 20. If they will touch any person, that person will get more profit or maybe a man of course, and the power will remain only for 15 days. God went away from the earth, he went to the heaven, and after 20 days he returned back to the earth and met those 20 persons and asked them, what you have done? I have given the power to you. I have given the power to you. Whether you have used that power or not. Those persons who have used, please raise their hands. God realized no one raising their hands, no one is not raising his hand, or God became surprised that I have given such type of power to you, but you could not use that power for the benefit of the other people. He questioned to those persons that why did you not use the power which I had given to you. One by one he asked, and he got a common answer from them. The answer was that what was the benefit of us, and God became very surprised and said, if you will do only to get benefits, then the world will be ruined. You should use that power, but you did not do that. This is the story. From this we learn that if we are not getting any profit, we can't do anything for others. We should help others. At the time of helping, the person does not think whether I will get profit or not, because to help people is a habit of that person. The God had given the power to those persons, but here the person is helping to others, as helping to others is a character of that person. So try to help others without thinking anything, because if you will help a particular person, that does not mean that particular person will help you in future. There is no law. But if you will continue the nature of helping, then you might get help from other people at any time or in future. So try to help others. Help does not mean only to give money. To give money is also a help, but that you can help a person by giving good advices, not to do this thing, please do this thing. As you have some knowledge about a particular subject, so it is your duty to help others by using that subject, on the basis of which many people will get profit from your knowledge. I am now speaking in English here only to increase my confidence. Which I am speaking, it is a revision for me. It will grow my confidence. So by giving or by speaking something to you in front of camera, it may help very much in future. So always try to give something to others, always try to help something to others, always try to think for the benefit of others. God has given you the brain, knowledge, intelligence. You are an intelligent person. That does not mean by using that knowledge you may rescue yourself. Which knowledge the God has given, you have to share with others. Otherwise, your knowledge will be ruined. No one can benefit, no one can get any type of benefit by using your knowledge. The teacher who are in primary class, we are also now their numbers is very low, but today we are also giving respect to them. At that time, the teachers had the quality that my student will go ahead, go forward, go up. That was his duty. But nowadays, all the teachers are just a government servant. They are not teachers, they are government servants. They are coming and giving their attendance and giving some knowledge to the students and go. Don't think about any particular student. But in our time, when we were in school, the teachers were recognized the students side by side, their family members also. Any type of disturbance in the family of the students, the father of a student always comes to his teacher to share the problem of his family. But now that type of work we are not observing. So now we are going to chapter round. We are in command or order. Command or order, class number 35. आदेश सूचक वाक्य मु तांकु फेरी जीवा पई आदेश देली एटा सदा आदेश दिया होची बा प्रस्ताव मध्ये दिया होची मु तांकु फेरी जीवा पई आदेश देली आई ऑर्डर्ड हिम ऑर्डर माने एटा होची गोटे वर्ब आई ऑर्डर्ड हिम टू गो बैक order order present order past order past participle also order. What is past tense? I ordered him mu आदेश देली to go back फेरी जीवा पे. go back means पछू जीवा फेरी जीवा. से मते ई कामटी करिया को आदेश देले से आदेश देले ही ऑर्डर मी और ही डिड ऑर्डर ही ऑर्डर मी टू डू दिस वर्क ही ऑर्डर मी माने से मते आदेश देले कु डू दिस वर्क यही कामटी को करने से आमको आदेश देले मु तांको कहली फेरी जाओ इट इज डायरेक्ट स्पीच मु तांको कहली फेरी जाओ आई टोल्ड हिम गो बैक इट इज डायरेक्ट स्पीच तो से इनवर्टेड कमा दियाला मु जहाँटा कहली डायरेक्ट लिखा आई गो बैक आई टोल्ड हिम गो बैक नले यहाँ जदि इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच कह आई ऑर्डर हिम टू गो बैक से मते कहले कामटी कर ही टोल्ड मी डू दिस वर्क दिस इज ऑल्सो डायरेक्ट स्पीच ही टोल्ड मी कामटी कर डू दिस वर्क से मते फेरी आसिया कहले से कहले है ही टोल्ड मोते माने मी टू माने कु कम माने आसीबा बैक माने पछकु ही टोल्ड मी टू कम बैक से मते कहले पछकु आसिया भी बा फेरी आसिया पाई मु तांको कबाट खोलिया पे कहली मु कहली आई आस्क्ड तांको हला हिम कबाट खोलिबा कु हला टू खोलिबा ला ओपन द डोर आई आस्क्ड हिम टू ओपन द डोर मु तांको कबाट खोलिया पे कहली माने आई आस्क्ड हिम टू ओपन द डोर शिक्षक छात्र मान को बही पढ़िया पे कहले द टीचर ऑर्डर द स्टूडेंट्स शिक्षक छात्र मान को कहले द टीचर ऑर्डर द स्टूडेंट्स टू रीड द बुक टू एला कु रीड एला पाठ पढ़ा द बुक बही पढ़िया पे कहले शिक्षक छात्र मान को बही पढ़िया पे कहले द टीचर ऑर्डर द स्टूडेंट्स टू रीड द बुक मु महेश को बाक्सटी खोलिया पे कहली मु कहली आई टोल्ड क्या कहली टू महेश आई टोल्ड महेश टू ओपन द बॉक्स ओपन है खोलिबा ओपीएन खोलिबा एटा क्रिया आई टोल्ड महेश टू ओपन द डोर से मते कठिन परिश्रम करबा पई कहले से मते कठिन परिश्रम करबा पई कहले ही ऑर्डर्ड मी टू वर्क हार्ड ही ऑर्डर मी मते आदेश देले बा कहले मते टू कु वर्क हार्ड माने कठिन परिश्रम काम हार्ड है कठिन शिक्षक मते धूमपान न करिया पे कहले टीचर ऑर्डर्ड मी नॉट टू स्मोक सिगरेट्स का टीचर ताऊ स्टूडेंट को गुहारी करें रिक्वेस्ट करें टीचर सदा छात्र को आदेश देवे से शिक्षक मते धूमपान न करने कहले द टीचर ऑर्डर्ड मी नॉट टू स्मोक सिगरेट्स एटा एडवाइज भी मध्य हो पार द टीचर एडवाइज मी नॉट टू स्मोक सिगरेट्स मु तांको बहीटी किनिया पे कहिथिली मु तांको बहीटी मु तांको कहिथिली मु तांको बहीटी किनिया पे कहिथिली आई हैड गिवन ऑर्डर टू परचेज द बुक आई हैड गिवन ऑर्डर हला एटा जी पास्ट परफेक्ट आई हैड गिवन ऑर्डर टू परचेज द बुक मु तांको बहीटी किनिया पे कहिथिली शिक्षक मते चौकीटी आनिया पे कहले द टीचर ऑर्डर्ड मी टू ब्रिंग ए चेयर मु रमा को कोठरीटी सफा करिया पे कहली आई टोल्ड रमा टू वॉश द रूम और टू क्लीन द रूम सफा वॉश मान धोइबा धोईकी सफा करवा क्लीन है सफा करवा मु तांको कहली तुमे सेठा को जाओ डायरेक्ट स्पीच मु तांको कहली आई टोल्ड हिम तुमे सेठा को जाओ यू गो देयर इनवर्टेड कमा भीतर रहिला यू गो देयर These are the sentences from the chapter command or order. Yesterday I had told about Sri Ram that at the time of Rajabhisheka, according to order of Dasharatha, Bharat got the throne, or Bharat became the king, and Ramachandra went to forest for 14 years. These are the demands of his mother Kaikeyi, one of his mother. As Dasharatha had given that I will fulfill your two demands at any time, and Kaikeyi will request to Dasharatha. Due to demand of the Kaikeyi, two demands, Bharat became the king, and Ramachandra went to forest for 14 years with Sita and Lakshmana. Namaskar.